This is the SnapFresh in action. Well, we have it in action right now. What did I do without this thing? It is, I mean, you gotta have one of those. It's like great. I mean, even for me, it is powerful. It has every attachment that you could possibly want. I will show you the back in pictures with all the attachments. It's got the extender. I don't know what it's called. It's in the bag. But you can reach very hard to reach places. We put together a set of furniture that everyone said was going to be a nightmare with this thing. It's powerful and it's easy. Sorry, it's not easy with one hand, but with two hands, well, just imagine you just put it in, screw it in, and then it goes. The light on it is perfect, and the battery charges extremely fast. It comes out. Whoop, oh, don't want to lose that. Sorry. And charges really fast. Just press here. I need a tripod, and then you just slides out, and you plug it in. Everything comes in that little case. I am in love with this SnapFresh 20V. I don't really understand anything about these settings yet, but there's instructions. Hubby has it set to, I don't know what, but we are putting in a light right now, and without this he would be screwing himself. Excuse me. He would be taking much longer screwing in these ginormous screws there, whatever they're called. They go in a second, and he would take about 30 minutes with this. I love this. Thank you.
So this is a review for the SnapFresh Cordless Drill BBT J0Z57C. Ordered it because I am moving this week, and I realized I need a drill again. For the bang for the buck, pretty nice. Good, nice, hefty weight to it. With the battery pack, charging really quick. Pretty standard and easy to use. And I love the fact that the battery does have the charging capacity lights for it. A lot of attachments, which comes in handy just for regular housework. This one, I believe, has 315 pounds of torque. You do get 4 sets of different bits over here, even with hex screws and all that stuff, and flatheads and regular bits as well. Has a light, pretty torquey, has an attachment. Good to use, and it actually came in a really nice bright green box. Cat approved, obviously, and I would definitely order more of these products. So nice so far. Good weight, good torque. Like the fact that for the price of less than 60 bucks delivered, got a pretty good drill that will hopefully last me long. Thanks for looking.
To get into it, you would bend that piece in, and when you turn it on, it operates from the end of it. So super nifty. The drill itself has a fair amount of power and all the proper settings and attachments. So I'm gonna say 5 out of 5 stars. I also like that it came with a bag for storage.